Alright, what's up guys? We're back at it again. Just doing some routine maintenance on my brother's car. The one that got in a little wreck. Got a front end from a different car that we picked up for free. And we just had to do like this oil filter housing. They have leaks right here. So did that, did the cowl failover. Just a couple little routine maintenance things that we have to get done on this car before we put it back together, take advantage of our position that we're in. So yeah, man, we're just gonna keep on getting at it. Start switching over parts from this radiator support, from that one, from the original one, and see where we get at today. Mira, mamas. You wanna sit over here? Come here. Come here. Got a visitor. My bad. Alright guys, so at the bottom you can see the return right there. Let me shine some light on the situation right there. This is our feed. So we're gonna do, using the same little injector Lalo used on his video, gonna inject some of the ATF inside of it and try to get this party going. Just gonna pump it up until I can't fish no more. And see, we locked right there. What it is a pressure lock. So that's as full as it's gonna get. is cracked.
Wheel is nasty.
We're gonna do oil change too now. What's up, guys? We're back, finishing off this thing, filling it up with coolant, and doing this oil change. Tony over here getting everything ready with our rotilla case. Oil change master, you got this. Trying to get ready to finish up this car. Got a little hung up on some stuff. It's broken sensors, things from an accident. Need to get headlights, tabs, but it'll work for now. Pretty solid on there. Yeah, we're just gonna take you guys for a ride, finish this bad boy up, and hopefully have it on the road tonight. Somebody got a little excited and he couldn't wait to put on his intake. So now we're gonna check out Lalo's car sound with ECS intake. See if you like it. Look at that. That thing of beauty.